Today in the shop we are spot cleaning several patio cushions, and I am using Stain Fu to clean some of the dirty areas. This one has some watermarks, so Stain Fu is really great on synthetic materials, especially patio cushions. Definitely has to be synthetic because otherwise they will probably disintegrate out in the elements. So you can use Stain Fu on patio cushions. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray directly on there. And I like using a white towel specifically because I can see if it's coming up on my towel, and I can see that it is. So yes, and you can do this wiping motion with this kind of material. It's a carpet that you don't want to rub or scrub, mainly. But this material is okay. So we're just going to let this dry and I'll check back. Okay, the patio cushion finally dried, and here's what it looks like. No more watermarks.